The 19.5S models are basic single-zone heat pumps with an 18.5 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 8.5 HSPF2 heating efficiency. The units are Wi-Fi enabled for control through smartphone app and feature a temperature-sensing remote control for enhanced comfort. The units have 4-way swing louvers for enhanced air circulation and offer HEPA air filters for improved air quality. The 23S models are premium mini splits with a 22.5 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 8.6 HSPF2 heating efficiency. The brand also offers multi-zone models, but they are only available in 2 sizes serving either 3 or 4 zones. The brand is backed by a pretty good guarantee, but they are only sold through a very limited dealer network. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.